Hey folks, it's Mario from Softwash Ranger, and we're here doing some graffiti removal. And I'm going to show you how we do it. So, first thing we do is we apply the graffiti remover. We're going to spray this on about 2 or 3 times. We're going to let it sit 10-15 minutes in between each application, and then we're going to come in and we're going to power wash it off. Okay, this is the second application. So this is the third application. And you can start to see some of the colors are starting to run already. And after we let this sit, we'll come in and we'll power wash it off.